organization, that is women empowerment. Well friends, a girl is free in her wilderness. She is a wanderess, a drop of free water. She knows nothing for rules or customs. Time for her isn't something to fight against. Her life flows clean with passion like fresh water. She's not made to be told boundaries. She's to be allowed to fly high. So our next act is a dedication to all the strong women out there.
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी सारी सारी रात दोपहरी कर के नहीं चलूंगी कैंडल चला के सैंडल दिखा के मर के नहीं चलूंगी कदम मिला के देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चल दूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मर्दों वाली बात कह के मुझे ढेर समझ के बेचोगे उन बाजारों में तेरी मैं नस्लों को मिटा दूंगी जिस दुनिया में माँ बहने रिश्ते नहीं है गाली है उस दुनिया से मर्यादा के रिश्ते सारे तोड़ूंगी नजर बदल के देखो तो मैं नजर नहीं लगने दूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो पान को ना छूने दूंगी छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी
Once again, a big round of applause for this women empowerment. All the women sitting over here.
We are students of Children's Academy, blessed to get educated in this reputed academy.
For vote of thanks for this evening.
First of all, a very big thanks to all of you present here for being present here to witness your children's performance. Because without your support, we are nothing. Without your support, the children also will not be able to do much. I thank all the parents for being supportive and encouraging their children to be taking part in such functions. And when they encourage the children actually come out with much more talent. So parents, I once again thank you, each one of you, to being here and also supporting your children for putting up this performance. They spend their class timings, even at home, you practice with them. So I'm grateful to all the parents for being supportive in this annual function. I'm thankful to all the teachers who have worked hard with these little children to put up such a nice performance. Without your support, without your help and guidance, I don't think these children would have done as well. However, the biggest thank goes to all these little children who have excellently performed and performed very well. Let us give them a very big hand. I am extremely proud of all my children, all my teachers, and everybody who has been a part of this program. I also thank the sound people, the light people, the people who have put up these tent, these chairs, your sitting arrangement, and all the arrangements that have been made. The managing committee, the committee who is in charge of this function, I thank all of you, the staff of B Block, the in charges of B Block who have actually worked hard to make this program a real success. Once again, thank you to each and everyone for making this program a success. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you very much, sir. Still you want something else? Should I sign out? Huh? Oh. Let's have a finale.
Children's Academy family, which runs educational institutions. We, as students of Children's Academy, blessed to get educated in this reputed educational hub. We thank the Almighty and media parents for parenting in this noble mission of building a better world for us. We are deemed with the privilege of hosting this annual function. So I would like to call the head boy, Keshwani, to present the school annual report. Ends are not bad things. They just mean that something else is about to begin. And there are many things that don't really end. Anyway, they just begin in a new way. Ends are not bad, and many ends are not really an ending. Some things are never ending. This is all about this event and hope you all have enjoyed this mesmerizing occasion. On behalf of Children's Academy, I would like to thank all of you for coming and remaining with us in this delightful event. So from our side, good night, Shabba Khair and take care.
हर लम्हा यादगार बन जाता है जब खुशियों का साज संग संग गाता है। तहे दिल से स्वागत है जिंदगी तेरा, खुशी हो या गम मुझे प्यारी है तेरी हर एक बेला। अपने दमखम पर सब करके दिखा देंगे, हौसलों की उड़ान के साथ आसमां तक हिला देंगे। खुशियों के तारे आंचल में पिरोए हैं, साथों जिंदगी का तो इन्हें सब में बंटवा देंगे।
अजीबोगरीब होता है ये सच।